Hi, my name is Jenny Kilburn. I'm the Gamebird Biologist for Rhode Island DEM Fish and Wildlife. As the Gamebird Biologist for Rhode Island, I'm responsible for any bird species that has a hunting season associated with it, and that includes waterfowl like ducks and geese, as well as turkeys, woodcock, doves, and I also am responsible for the pheasant stocking program. We manage game birds in Rhode Island to make sure that we have a healthy, sustainable population of these species into the future, and we do that because we allow a hunting season on these birds. We want to make sure that we don't have too many or too little, and that we're harvesting the correct amount to allow for this sustainable population. And one way to figure out if we're doing that is to ban birds, and so we do that with all of our waterfowl species and as well as doves, which we're out here doing today. These are dove bands, and when a hunter harvests a bird, there's a unique identification number on there for each bird, and it also has the website that you would go on to report the band. We take out the string. And so Alex is just making sure that when you put that band on the bird, that both of those edges are perfectly flush, because we just don't want anything to get stuck in there or for that bird to get injured by the band. On this bird, the band is loose and it spins, and it doesn't hurt the bird. It's just like us wearing a bracelet. And then when we look to age the birds, we're looking at these covert feathers here on the top, and you can see that they have that what we call like buff or wear on the feathers. It's kind of that lighter cream colored layer there, and that would indicate a juvenile bird. And then you can also see which feather, which primary feather it's molting on right here, this shorter primary feather coming in. So this would be a hatchier bird. And because it's a hatchier bird, we generally wouldn't be able to get an accurate sex on that bird, because its adult feathers haven't really come in yet, and it wouldn't get that bright rosy color that the males would have, or that tan color that a female would have on their head and nape. So that's a hatchier bird. The sex would be unknown, and that bird is good to go. Doves are actually one of the most popular hunting species in North America. On average, every year 20 million doves are harvested, and populations are estimated to be either stable or increasing. And this is because doves have adapted to using places like backyards and feeding under people's bird feeders, and so their populations are doing well, especially here in Rhode Island. Like today we are out, we've seen 30 doves here so far, so hopefully we can get more than one. So I love my job as a biologist because I get to be outside working with species that I'm really passionate about. Growing up as a hunter, I get to experience hunting these species, and now I get to actually work to help conserve them and make sure that their populations are sustainable into the future, so that hopefully my kids and their kids can go out and have those same opportunities. And to be honest, it's a lot of fun when you get to be out in the field. Like in a couple days, I'm going to be going up in a helicopter to survey some waterfowl. We're out here dove trapping. I get to duck trap, so it's a lot of fun, and it's a great way to make sure that I'm involved in a sustainable future for these species. All right, so we only caught one dove today. Doves are shockingly smart and not easy to catch. But yeah, we're done for the day, wrapped up, opened our traps up, and we'll try it again tomorrow.